I know you have seen so many channels which don't show their faces, just stock footage, some B-rolls, and a voiceover which you don't know whose face and brain is behind this all. It's called Faceless channel. I know you also want to open a Faceless channel through which you can generate money and pull it in your bank account every month. Well, not only is it possible, but in today's video, I'm giving you the exact roadmap to make it happen with 6 essential steps. And trust me, this is more than just a checklist. We're talking about a step-by-step guide that takes you from concept to monetization, giving you all the tools you need to build your own original Faceless YouTube channel without the guesswork. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Step 1, idea generation and niche selection. The first step in your YouTube journey is finding the right niche. This is the foundation of your entire channel, and it's critical to get this right. When we talk about choosing a niche, we're really talking about finding a balance between passion, demand, and originality. Start by brainstorming topics you're genuinely interested in. Maybe you're into tech, gaming, finance, or self-improvement. Whatever it is, that's your starting point. Now, it's important to ensure that there's a demand for your niche. A good way to do this is by using tools like Google Trends or Viddy to check what's trending on YouTube. You can also check out platforms like Reddit or Quora to see what questions people are asking. This gives you an idea of what content people are craving. But here's the thing, demand isn't enough. You need to stand out. Let's say you've chosen personal finance as your niche. There are thousands of channels doing this already, right? So how do you make yours different? Maybe you focus on financial tips specifically for Gen Z or target small business owners who are just starting out. The more you can narrow down and get specific, the more likely you'll be to carve out a space that's all your own. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world? People use it to find answers and learn, which is why 68% of YouTube users rely on the platform for educational content. So educational niches are always in high demand, making them a great fit for Faceless channels. Step 2, content creation and script writing. Once you've locked in your niche, the next step is content creation, and this is where the magic happens. The heart of any successful Faceless YouTube channel is great content, and since your audience can't see you, your content needs to be even more engaging. Let's break it down into a few parts. First, you need to plan your videos around topics that solve problems or answer questions. Why? Because that's why people come to YouTube in the first place. If you're in the tech niche, this could mean making how-to videos, product reviews, or tutorials. Now, the backbone of any good video is the script. Since you're not appearing on camera, your script will do the heavy lifting in keeping viewers engaged. Keep your tone conversational, as if you're sitting down with a friend. This makes your content more relatable and engaging. Always keep your audience in mind. What are their pain points? What do they need answers to? You have 2 options for the voiceover: do it yourself or use AI tools. If you're comfortable speaking, go ahead and record your own voiceovers. It adds a personal touch. But if that's not your thing, don't worry. There are tons of AI text-to-speech tools that can handle this for you. Speechelo and Google Text-to-Speech are great options, giving you professional sounding narrations without the hassle. Now for the visuals, just because your channel is faceless doesn't mean it has to be boring. Use stock footage from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Storyblocks to keep things visually engaging. For tutorials, you can use screen recordings or animations to explain your points. Tools like Canva or Vine make creating simple animations easy. Step 3, video production tools and software. So you've got your content ideas and script ready to go. Now it's time to produce your videos. Luckily, you don't need Hollywood level gear to make professional quality content. All you need are the right tools for video editing. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro are industry favorites. But if you're just getting started and don't want to invest in premium software, DaVinci Resolve is a fantastic free option. It's user-friendly but still packed with professional grade features. Now, if you want to automate part of your video instead of titling your video how to save money, go for something like 10 easy money saving tips for college students in 2024. This will help you rank higher and attract a more engaged audience. According to Backlinko, videos that include growth, your logo should be simple yet memorable. Custom thumbnails are a must. According to YouTube, 90% of top performing videos use custom thumbnails. Thumbnails are your first impression, so make them count. Tools like Canva or Photoshop are great for designing eye-catching, clickable thumbnails. And there you have it, the complete 7-step guide to creating your own original Faceless YouTube channel. We've covered everything from finding your niche and crafting engaging content to automating your workflow and monetizing your efforts. The next step is up to you. Take these strategies and start applying them today. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and a solid plan, you'll get there. If you found this guide helpful, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips on growing your YouTube empire. Thanks for watching.